Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to Car Trend. Today, we're diving into a machine that's rewriting the rules of modern muscle, the 2026 Pontiac GTO. This isn't just a car, it's a resurrection of one of the most legendary names in American automotive history. For decades, the GTO has been a symbol of power, style, and rebellion, and now, it's returned to prove that raw performance still has a place in the future. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the new GTO demands your attention. Its front end is aggressive, with a wide stance, sharp lines, and a sculpted hood featuring functional air intakes. The LED headlights are sleek and modern, while subtle carbon fiber accents and aerodynamic enhancements give it a track-ready presence. It's a design that pays tribute to the original while boldly embracing the future. Underneath that bold exterior lies the heart of a true performance beast. The 2026 Pontiac GTO offers two powertrains, a monstrous twin-turbo V8 pumping out more than 650 horsepower, and an advanced hybrid performance system delivering instant torque and impressive efficiency without sacrificing that deep, unmistakable muscle car growl. Engineers have equipped the GTO with adaptive suspension, launch control, and precision-tuned traction management to ensure that all that power is put to the pavement in the most thrilling way possible. Whether you're on the drag strip or attacking winding roads, this car delivers adrenaline on demand. Inside, the GTO strikes a perfect balance between retro inspiration and cutting-edge technology. Slip into the driver's seat and you're greeted by premium leather sports seats with bold contrast stitching, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and brushed aluminum trim. The digital instrument cluster can be switched between classic-style gauges and high-tech performance readouts, depending on your mood. The infotainment system is loaded with the latest features, from seamless smartphone integration to advanced navigation and a premium audio system that turns every drive into a concert. It's a space designed for those who love the drive as much as the destination. On the road, the 2026 GTO is pure excitement. Stomp on the accelerator, and you're pushed back into your seat as the car surges forward with relentless force. The steering is precise, the chassis is balanced, and the brakes are strong enough to match the car's explosive speed. Every gear change feels deliberate, every corner an opportunity to feel the car's athletic nature. It's a driving experience that connects you to the road, reminding you why the GTO name carries so much weight among enthusiasts. Pontiac has also brought back classic color options like carousel red and starlight black, alongside new shades that shimmer with modern flair. Buyers can customize their GTO with different wheel designs, performance packages, and trim levels, making each car as unique as its owner. Limited edition models are rumored to be in the works, adding even more collectability to an already iconic nameplate. The 2026 Pontiac GTO is more than just a car, it's a statement that passion and performance will never go out of style. In an era dominated by electric SUVs and autonomous driving, this GTO roars in defiance, reminding the world that the thrill of the drive still matters. Whether you grew up with the GTO or are discovering it for the first time, this car has the power to make you fall in love with driving all over again. That's all for today's feature here on Car Trend. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the return of a muscle car legend, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next review. The future of performance is here, and we'll be right there to bring it to you.